Hey friends, welcome to Cleaning Therapy. My name is Jenny if you're new here, and today we'll be doing a little bit of fall cleaning and decorating in my living room and also in the entryway. I apologize for my voice. I'm just still dealing with a little bit of a cold here, and I'm just going to try to get through this as best I can, so thank you for understanding. So here we are in the living room. I've got everything cleared off so that I can get these surfaces cleaned off and we can begin decorating. Leave me an emoji in the comments if you're hanging out with me today while I decorate. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner today in the apple cider scent, and I'll start here by the coffee table and just get this all cleaned off. Let me know in the comments how you're doing today, what projects you're working on in your home, and how you're doing. You know, I always love to connect with you down there, and thank you so much for being here today. I'm starting here with this gray washed tray. This was a Walmart purchase from several years ago. And then I have this pot of dried florals, candlesticks, and of course my coasters. That is a functional item. And I got the pot from Hobby Lobby, and then I actually painted it. And then the candlesticks are from Hobby Lobby as well. So this is just a nice simple way to add some fall decor to my coffee table. Along with my gray pillow covers, which are from Kirkland's from years past, I'm adding this new blanket that I got from Amazon. This is a nice little throw blanket. It's in kind of a burnt orange color. It does appear more rust on camera, but it's kind of somewhere in between. But it's a beautiful shade, and I love that it just brings warmth and coziness to this space. I also wanted to add this little lumbar pillow. This one is from Target. And if you haven't seen my fall decor video, which is the video right before this one, go ahead and check it out. I show you guys all the fall decor that I'll be using in my home this year and let you know where I purchased it. So be sure to check that one out if you haven't yet. This is the Leaves Candle by Bath & Body Works. Not only is it a beautiful color, but it smells so good. This to me is the classic fall scent. This is the cleaner I like to use for all of my electronics and screens. So while I'm in here, I'll take a minute to get this TV screen all cleaned off, get all these fingerprints off so that the room can be clean and fresh for decor. Comment down below if you've started your fall decorating yet and how it's going and what theme you're going with, what colors you're using. I would love to hear about it. I am definitely starting my decorating a little bit later this year. We've been sick a lot this month for some reason, so it set me back a little, but I'm so glad to be here with you today and getting this room decorated. This is a garland that I've had for so many years, so if you saw my fall haul, I kind of explained more about it, but I still love it. I think it's beautiful. It's definitely seen better days, but I still enjoy having it right here under the TV just to kind of hide some of the wires. Now I'm just gonna give this rug a good vacuuming, and then we will head into the entryway and I'll show you guys my new table. I actually purchased it back in March, but this will be the first time you're seeing it on my channel. So I'm excited to show you guys. I love it. The entryway has not had like an official makeover yet, so it still needs a little bit of work, but I would like to add some fall touches just to bring that in as you walk into the house. So far, all I've really had on here is this lamp that I took from another room, and then I have our little basket of keys and sunglasses. So I'll start here by adding this pot. This is from Hobby Lobby, and then the florals are from Hobby Lobby as well. And I just thought these were so beautiful and realistic. I love the shading on these. I get that nice pop of fall color without it looking, you know, just all one color or just orange. I feel like there's so many tones in these florals, and and they just look beautiful to me, and I really like the way they look in this stone vase. Now I'll go in with this Made for Living coffee table book and a pumpkin spice candle. So I just think this is a very simple way to add a little bit of decor to my entryway table, but then I'll still keep it functional by keeping my little basket right here with our keys and sunglasses. And this basket is from Hobby Lobby, and it's just kind of nice because you can't immediately see what's in it, but it's easy access. And then now that this area is all ready, I'll go ahead and give this hallway a little bit of a sweep, and then I'll let you guys see everything in the reveal shots. Friends, thank you so much for joining me for this short but sweet fall clean and decorate. It was just a nice, easy way for me to get started here, and then we'll be moving on to decorating my kitchen and my dining room, the fireplace area, front porch, and bathroom. So please stay tuned for lots more fall clean and decorating content. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave so I can see you on the next video. I love you very much, and I'll see you guys next week.